Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is episode 3 of my Winter Beauty Basics series, and in this episode I will be sharing with you my hair care tips, my hair care routine, and also my favorite hair care products and some home remedies. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video. So the first tip for your winter hair care routine is reduce the number of hair wash and try to wash your hair once in a week. The more you wash your hair, the more you remove its essential oils, and these natural essential oils help in nourishing your hair. Use the products which are free of drying and aggressive ingredients, for example, sulfate and alcohol. Also, to space out the washes, you can use a dry shampoo. Tip number 2 is that you should always choose your hair care products with vegetable oils and vitamins. Use natural ingredients such as avocado oil, olive oil, or argan oil, etc. These nutrients have vitamins, minerals, and fatty acids, and these nutrients give body and shine to your damaged hair. Tip number 3 is always massage your scalp. With all the changes in temperature and the chemical it gets exposed to, our scalp gets dehydrated. You should regularly massage your skin on your head, that is our scalp, with oil-based treatments, for example avocado oil or coconut oil or any oil which is suitable to you. You should also use leave-in conditioners and masks. They're very helpful for your scalp and hair. So tip 4 is always dry your hair before stepping out of your home, especially in this cold weather. Cold air can damage your hair and they would make your hair more prone to the breakage. If you're in a rush and you're going out with wet hair, do not forget to use a scarf or a hat on your wet hair. This is going to reduce the impact of cold weather on your hair. So tip 5 is commit to a weekly deep in conditioner hair mask. Weekly hair masks make a world of a difference with dry and damaged hair. It also reverses any effects of dryness and damaged hair. So in this part, I'm going to discuss some best hair masks for winter dry hair. The first one is going to be Olaplex Hair Perfector from number 3. This hair mask targets and rebuilds the specific protein bonds that have been broken down in your hair. The second one is Shea Moisture Raw Shea Butter Deep Treatment Mask. This is a drugstore product, so it is very affordable, and it is also deep nourishing and moisturizing shea butter and argan oil and avocado oil and much more. So it has natural vegetable oils, which is very healthy and very good for your hair. So the next one and the last one is best for curly hair. I have curly hair, so this is highly recommended. The next one is Bounce Curl Ayurvedic Deep Conditioner. This mask has oil to hydrate outside of hair shaft, and it locks the frizz as well. So it is very good for your curly hair so that they don't frizz and your strands don't stand out. So now I'm going to talk about some homemade hair masks. So these hair masks are very affordable. You can make it with the ingredients from your kitchen, and also it is very good option if the other products are not available in your country or wherever you live. So the first one is overripe banana, avocado, and coconut oil. This mask promotes hair growth and also moisturizes your hair. So you take the equal amount of 3 of these and then mix them and put it on your hair. Wrap cellophane around your head, or you can also wrap a polythene around your head just to give the heat to your scalp, and you can remove it or wash your hair after an hour or so. The second one is yogurt plus apple cider vinegar plus lemon. This mask is great for deep cleaning, and it also removes any kind of product built up. Since it has lemon, it also lightens hair color, and if you do not want to lighten your hair color, you can add half lemon and half water. The third hair mask is avocado plus honey plus oil. This mask is great for dry and brittle hair, and it protects from a further damage. So it is great for the people who use hot tools and they blow dry every time they wash their hair. So this is the same thing as well. You take equal amount of all three and then you mix them up well, put it on your hair, put it on your scalp. You can also massage your scalp since it has oil, and then you wrap a bag or a cellophane around your hair just to give it a heat a little bit, and then you can wash it off after 1 hour or so. Thank you guys for watching the whole video. I hope it was very helpful for all of you. Please do not forget to like and share the video and also subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys until the next time. Love you guys.